you. Me NDC national chairman. Now come for the candidate. All NDC members vote for the independent candidate. 11,000. I am telling you so, Lusu. For all you know, if you want to my MP na, if you no, and they say DC no, penche no, they will angrily want to tour the line of the independent candidate. Ubenya some of the numbers. And it's like NDC withdraw ya, and a year 1-on-1 independent. They say, and your majority I cancel. Me say, and MPP majority I cancel. Politics a brains.
What is all this? I'm Ukrainian.
Me say politics na brains. NDC is smarter. Come on for the candidate. Now MPP candidate versus the independent candidate no because a executives no problem no obi 11,000 to 14,000 up to today and you feel you are in office, you are just occupying position, you are not a leader, you are not a leader. I will tell you the truth. You can hate me, can hate me.
This is explosive
because Sadio no, I'm telling you say it stands the propensity of making NDC majority in parliament. And I say because say 137, one independent.
Yeah.
It's where one NDC 137, MPP 136, 2 independent candidates. That can happen.
And the Bassa NDC least.
Why now? Of course, one. I am telling you, say if I were national secretary and a national chairman, now can primaries. I can independent candidate no automatically is the MPP candidate.
Koberini.
Me say independent candidate no automatically. If I were the national chairman or the national secretary, the independent candidate automatically would have been the MPP candidate. That is how you build party. And your brains, you have to be wise. You have to be smart. Now, and this independent candidate is posing a threat. Mark my words.
Yeah.
And this is smart in here. Come back, drop one candidate. Underground, NDC media to my independent.
Of course.
Yeah, NDC my majority in parliament.
NDC vote in 2,439. That is the 2020 election.
2020 election.
So NDC were little over 2,000.
And to
the 2,439. Oh yeah. And to independent.
Less than 1,000.
Less than
1,000. And I make us say MP now no minimum. Let me tell you something. I learned say MP no ye Alanche Martin supporter. You were free mono. And a DC you know Baumia supporter. And the omen cry definitely there will be lots of people like MP side. Feel say MP no cry no can home. My team need ye can home. Mo tani can home.
No family. I think the family called the. Oh, okay. So now the NDC Bernard Opoku Mafo